The reason you're watching this is probably because you're interested in opening your own business too, right? Maybe an online business? Well, One Network e-commerce has just the right thing for you. We've created a way for you to sell your products by setting up an online store. Not just the usual online store you see elsewhere, this one has a unique feature that will blow your mind. And you'll do it yourself using OneSuperShop.com. OneSuperShop is a complete e-commerce platform that provides you with all the tools you'll need to sell your products online. It's so quick and easy that you can do it in minutes. It's so affordable and convenient that you can start selling from the safety of your home and for only 6,888 pesos per year. Just visit any OneSuperShop.com store and create your own shop. Choose any of the available store templates, take pictures of your products, and upload them. Complete the details of your products, and let OneSuperShop do the rest. Very simple indeed. You can start selling even if you don't have products of your own. OneSuperShop's unique Grab One feature allows you to search for the items you'd want to sell from the thousands offered by our merchant partners. Simply click on Grab and they'll appear in your store, ready to sell. This business is a two-way street because if you can grab other people's products, they too can search and grab your products. So you're actually extending your reach into their network of clients. We've equipped your store with features like this found in your dashboard, which serves as the back office of your business. You can customize your store to match your style, and you'll never run out of opportunities to earn. Aside from selling just products, OneSuperShop gives you a host of other services, like a prepaid loading service, bills payment, and remittance service. You have the freedom to choose what you want to sell and how you want to sell them. What's more, whenever you have an order, we will pick up the packages from your home, office, or home office and deliver them to your customers via our logistics company, OneX. No fuss, no hassle, no worries. And when you bring your friends to us to set up their online stores, you'll even get a referral reward. Just a simple thank you from us to you. We too invited some of our celebrity friends to open their OneSuperShop.com stores. Our celebrity partners have millions of followers who could all become your customers someday. OneSuperShop connects your business to other business owners like you around the world. You are now part of the OneSuperShop global market. So where else can you find an affordable business solution that gives you your own online store built on a solid e-commerce platform, the opportunity to sell your products, and lets you grab other people's products to sell, commissions from selling any of the merchant partners' products that you grabbed, an opportunity to partner with celebrities, incentives, referral fees, and rewards, and finally, the freedom to run from anywhere and accept orders from all over the world. Where else but at OneSuperShop.com?